Hi everybody, I'm Kevin from Acclaimed Heating, Cooling and Furnace Cleaning. I'm here with a special guest today. This is Carol.
Hi everybody.
From Handyman Connections. Handyman is our featured partner of the month, and we're really happy to have Handyman in our network of great referral partners. And I'm going to jump right into the letter today. It's not a Dear Kevin today, it's going to be a Dear Carol, so you can address something from your profession, Carol. And this is from Afraid of Inconvenience. So here we go. Dear Carol, we're doing some renovations in our home, and we're looking for a handyman to hire to help with our to-do list. We want to replace the backsplash in our kitchen, replace our pantry door, and get our leaky kitchen spout fixed. I know that all three items are under your scope, but will I need to call handyman for 3 different trades? Will each of these contractors charge a service fee to come to my home? What do you think, Carol?
Yeah, so this is a really great question, and it's often asked by homeowners because, as you know, if you own a home, there's always a list of things to do, as you said, your to-do list. So certainly what we try to do is send somebody out who can do it all. So they can cost a lot of money if you do have 3 companies coming up to take a look at 3 different things. So we have 2 great staff, Karen and Amanda, who are on the phones answering the phones and asking questions. So we'll identify the jobs that you want to have done, similar to this, the backsplash, the pantry, and the leaking faucet, and we'll make sure that we assign a guy who has experience in all those trades for you. So all of our craftsmen have over 10 or 15 years experience. They can come out and take a look at these jobs for you. No service fee, no obligation to go ahead, and we have the experience to do all 3 of those jobs or more. So if you have more to add to your to-do list while we're there, certainly ask for us, and we'll give you a written estimate before you have to go ahead with the work.
Okay, great. I mean, that's the nice thing about Handyman Connections, and why we refer a lot of people your way, is because the great people that answer the phones in the office, when you're explaining to you guys what it is that you need done, they then are matching you up with the right handyman within your company, Handyman Connections, and that's one of the many benefits.
Yeah, I mean, minimizing that traffic in and out of your home is very important. I mean, we're all busy these days,
right? And
I think it's hard to set a time aside to meet with 3 different trades. So we definitely try to make that as convenient as possible for everybody.
Right. Well, no, that makes sense. And again, thank you for Afraid of Inconvenience to kind of do that. And last month we had our partner of the month, who is Rob from Robart Electric, a great electrical company that is also part of our Acclaimed Homeowners Club, and is a great referral partner. And we have the draw done for the Home Depot gift card, and Carmen Melanchuk is the winner of that. And congratulations on that, and we'll give you a call and get that into your hands somehow. So congratulations on that. And Carol,
yes,
we are working with you guys this month. We're featuring your company, and we're going to have a draw with Handyman Connections. What do you have?
We have the Ultimate Dining Card. So there's a selection of 8 restaurants that you can choose from and have a night out on Handyman Connection.
Fantastic. So can I go to Tim Hortons like 10 times?
No, you'll have to take yourself out for a nice evening.
Oh, for a nice evening.
Yeah, not just a quick coffee.
Well, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Fabulous. Thanks, Carol. So what's going on this weekend? One of our charities that we support and we know and really admire is Adaptabilities. And Adaptabilities serves people that are less fortunate and kind of have some limitations in terms of their capabilities. And it's amazing work that they do, and they provide such value to the lives of a lot of people, and particularly the families as well, that have loved ones that do struggle in some way. And they're having a big fundraiser. And I know that we're going, just kind of looking at this here, we're going to have the link to all of the tickets for that on our website here and Facebook, and hopefully we can steer some people into that amazing fundraiser and fundraising for Adaptabilities. Great organization doing great things, so hope you can do that. And I want to thank you once again, Carol, for being part of today's Facebook Live and doing a much better job of the Dear Kevin letter than I would ever do.
Right, thank you.
And I really appreciate that. Please do follow us on Instagram at Acclaimed Heat, and also we really appreciate your business support. Call us anytime with anything we can help with. thanks very much, everybody. Have a great weekend.
Bye, everybody.